11 flirting fails made by all 20-somethings. Relying on alcohol as a mating/dating technique. Negging as a pickup technique. Only communicating via text when not in person. Cutting down your competition to win your crush over. Incestuous clique dating. Flirting with a friend's current or ex-boyfriend. Getting stuck in a messaging back and forth on a dating site. Early terms of endearment or early touching. Asking 0 questions about the person you're on a date with. Talking about your ex. Drunk texting. Drunk texting. Drunk texting.